What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. We have an awesome video for you guys today. Uber just announced some insane bonuses for the 4th of July. So if you love money, if you love celebrating America is the greatest country in the world, we are gonna talk about what's going on. Uber just sent me the bonus structure for the 4th of July. And my friends, if you want to make money, you want to drive on 4th of July. Why? Because it's a holiday. There's going to be people out drinking, so they're going to be ordering Ubers. There's going to be tons of people partying, and not a lot of drivers want to drive on 4th of July. So that's where you can come in and make a ton of money. And by the way, not only making money, you're going to be saving people's lives, because you could be that driver that actually picks somebody up who, was maybe gonna drink and drive. And I hate to say it, but people are gonna be drinking a lot, and they're gonna probably be driving a little bit. So you wanna make sure you're driving safely, but also you could be making a ton of money, saving people's lives, having an awesome, fun day, meeting tons of awesome passengers. And again, we're celebrating the 4th of July celebration of the greatest country in the world. And I mean that. In no other country can you go and achieve your dreams. This is the land of opportunity. We need to celebrate America, realize how amazing, how blessed we are to live in such an amazing country. I'm so privileged and fortunate that I was born in America, and I have that pride. And I hope you do too. I hope, Biden doesn't mess it up too much. Gosh, he's doing some really bad things for the country. And I just hope he doesn't get a second term. Anyways, I'm not gonna rant too much about politics. That's not what the point of the video is about. Today's video, we're going over bonus structures for drivers. Sorry, I'm just really passionate about America, and I love the 4th of July. So day we can all just come together and wave our flags high and celebrate with fireworks. But anyways, gonna just share with you guys this bonus structure that I just got this email. And also want to plug our sponsor, Play Octopus. Play Octopus, they are an American company. They just got bought, by the way, by T-Mobile, and so they have a ton of money. They're paying drivers to put these tablets, install them. They just sent me a brand new one. I guess they got a new T-Mobile network. You get a free data plan on here, and it's all free when you sign up with my link, and they pay you. Passengers play games, and it's a good old time. You make tons of money. Okay, so here we go. I just got this offer. Make 100. Uber sent this out. I want to hear from you guys. What is your bonus for Uber? Make $120 extra. Let's get this focused. Make $120 extra on 4th of July when you complete 5 trips. Did I hear that right? 5 trips. Guys, that's over $20 bonus per ride. But you can make extra money with this promotion, but hurry, offer expires soon. This is my quest. So I want to hear from you guys. What quest did you guys get? 5 trips, 120 bucks. Is yours as good as mine? Because this is pretty incredible. And yeah, guys, I want to hear from you guys. What's your bonus looking like for 4th of July, or did you not get it yet? And or are you not gonna drive? Are you going out and celebrating? That's totally fine too. Go to the beach, have a night, drink safely, be smart, have a great time. There's another promotion. I think I got 2 promotions. $95 extra by completing 40 trips on the 4th of July. 40 rides on the 4th of July. That's going to be a pretty daunting task, but what is that? An extra over $2 per ride. So honestly, it looks pretty legit to me. Yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts, and please stay safe. Whatever you do on the 4th of July, if you're driving, drive safely, drive defensively. Just kind of be like looking out a little bit more. Don't look at your phone too much. Obviously, when you're stopping and stuff, you need to pick up passengers, but follow GPS. But drive defensively. Assume that other people are going to be kind of a little bit more reckless on the 4th of July, and there's going to be tons of people, pedestrians walking around, partying, screaming, stuff. And if you don't drive, I wish you a great 4th of July. I wish that you have an awesome day. Sorry, I was just about to go to the gym and I got this and I was like, let me share this with you all because I think you guys will love it. So thanks for watching. You guys are great. And again, sign up for Play Octopus with my link below. You start earning up to $100 extra per month. And more tips too, because I found having this in your car, pastors love to throw you extra money because pastors actually can, if they get the high score, they get $25 Amazon gift card, and they love playing that. And so a lot of times they end up throwing you an extra $5 or whatever. So anyways, check that out. Love you guys. You guys are great. Happy 4th of July. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.